Hey, you there? Okay. Welcome to the life of a truck driver. Welcome aboard. I'm going to show you what it is to be a truck driver, what it takes, what we go through from the beginning. I'm just going to show you everything about trucking, the real life of a truck driver. Right now, we are in Davenport, Iowa, and we are picking up a load that's going to be going from Davenport, Iowa, all the way to Troy, Alabama. So right now, they are loading my trailer, and we're gonna be heading from Davenport, Iowa, all the way to Troy, Alabama. Today is Thursday, right? Let me see. Today is yes. Today is Thursday, and we gotta drive 830 miles all the way to the next customer, which is going to be the delivery. I would say about 14 hours, about 14 hours drive, and we can only drive 11 hours. I don't drive the 11 hours. I only drive 10 hours, and then I use my other hour, the hour that I have left, I use it to find parking. Um, Finding parking is very critical. I don't put myself in that situation. So, for example, like right now, there's a lot of miles that I have to drive. So I drive 10 hours. Like I said, I drive 10 hours, and then I use the hour that I have left to find parking. That's the way I do it. A lot of drivers do it differently. Um, but I just do what's best for me. And I don't want to put myself in a situation where I cannot find a parking spot. I'm driving an 18 wheeler, and it's really hard to try to find a good parking um, a good parking spot. Okay, so right now we just got loaded, and as you can see, we have the tandems all the way to the rear, so that's a no-no. So we gotta slide them forward, otherwise we will be driving illegal. So there's a button right here. There's a button right here, and then you pull it, and then the pin's gonna go inside. Once they go inside, you can slide them over. So what I do is I got them ready, and now I'm gonna close my door. So in order for us to slide the tandems, we just have to make sure that the brakes are set. So I wanted to show you this right here. This is the sticker. Most companies, they'll help the drivers. This is a big help. Um, they usually put these stickers. And it tell you right here that California, Connecticut, and Indiana, you have to put the tandems right here. Just for these three states, California, Connecticut, and Indiana. See, you got the two the two tires, the two axles. It's right here. See those two axles. So it's telling you that the last axle, this arrow right here, that's where it has to be. So if you go down, see, it's right there. Okay? Now, if you are going other states, it's going to tell you that the center of this arrow, it has to be in between the two axles. See, it has to be right there. Now, remember, you have to keep in mind You have to know about the weight. How much weight are you going to be carrying, and what state you're going to be going through. Like I said, California, Connecticut, and Indiana, they want you to have it right there. Now, I am not going to go through Indiana. I am not going to be going through Connecticut, and I am not going to be going through California. Why I got them right there? And it's going to be because of the weight. So right now I have all the load is all the way to the front. So most of the weight are forward. So I slid them forward. That way I can pick up weight from the drive and then add them to the trailer. But we got to go to the truck stop. We got to find a scale to scale the truck to see what the weight is on each axle. So now we just got to go to the truck stop and find a scale. I usually go to a CAT scale. They're more accurate. That way I can have my weight correctly before I start driving. We don't want to be driving overweight on one of the axles. We have about 41,000 pounds. I don't go by what the customer said the weight is. They can give me whatever load, whatever weight they can put in the bill, whatever weight they want. But once I'm done picking up the load, I just always, I go to the CAT scale and scale the truck just to make sure we don't want to be overweight on either an axle or on a gross of the truck, because that's a ticket, and that ticket falls on me. And we want to be safe. We want to be responsible. We don't want to be throwing our money away. So right now we are coming to the truck stop. So right now, this is the scale. As you can see, it's a CAT scale. I'll get my tablet. I'm gonna open the CAT scale app. We are at the love, and then there's a number right there on the side. We're gonna use that number 1648. That's just to confirm the location. I don't know if you can see, but we have on the steer axle, we have 11,980. We have on the drive 31,920. And then we also have on the trailer 30,320. So according to this, we are good to go. We don't have to worry about anything right now. Are trying to get out of here before this bad weather comes in. According to what they're been saying on the news, is that it's gonna start tomorrow. So it's a massive. They said a massive snowstorm coming in, and hopefully it'll be tomorrow in the afternoon. If it's tomorrow in the afternoon, it's gonna be really good because I'm gonna be way more south, and that's what we want right now. We don't want to be up. We don't want to be up north. Otherwise, we're gonna run into it. And I think we are gonna be running into it, but I don't think it's gonna be that much.